Hi everyone, welcome back. If you are new, please consider subscribing. My name is Yadi and I'm an esthetician instructor. In today's video, it is a highly requested re-upload of the Esthetician Practice Written Test number 2. You have asked for me to say the answer out loud to help you study, so here we are. I am delivering the information for you. I hope you find the information helpful. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with a friend. Thank you so much for your continued support. And with that being said, good luck on your test. Now let's get started. This is a 20-question practice test for estheticians. Number 1, glycation, an intrinsic part of the aging process, is caused by what? A. Damaged elastin. B. Dehydration. C. Rise in blood sugar. D. Reduction of sebum. The answer is C. Rise in blood sugar. Number 2. Vascular lesions are also known as blank lesions. A. Secondary. B. Primary. C. Quaternary. D. Tertiary. The answer is D. Tertiary. Number 3. Milia are most common in blank skin types. A. Dry. B. Oily. C. Combination. D. All. The answer is A. Dry. Number 4. Combination skin can be both blank at the same time. A. Dry and sensitive. B. Sensitive and oily. C. Dry and normal. D. Oily and dry. The answer is D. Oily and dry. Number 5. What may make the skin too sensitive for facials or waxing? A. Diabetes. B. Oral steroids. C. Epilepsy. D. Pacemakers. The answer is B. Oral steroids. Number 6. What are carbomers used for? A. To dissolve other ingredients. B. To reduce friction on the skin. C. To attract water. D. To thicken creams. The answer is D. To thicken creams. Number 7. What type of product dissolves makeup, oil, and dirt? A. Toners. B. Exfoliants. C. Cleansers. D. Serums. The answer is C. Cleansers. Number 8. Approximately how far should the facial steamer be when steaming the skin? A. 48 inches. B. 36 inches. C. 18 inches. D. 6 inches. The answer is C. 18 inches. The steamer should be approximately 18 inches away from the face when using the steamer. Number 9. Using deep pressure on the face, blank. A. Can weaken elastin fibers. B. Can induce collagen growth. C. Is a common practice among estheticians. D. Prevents premature aging. The answer is A. It can weaken the elastin fibers. Number 10. Tapotement is also called A. Vibration, B. Percussion, C. Chucking, D. Doctor jacket movement. The answer is B. Percussion. Number 11. Hair growth is created by the activity of cells in the A. Stratum corneum, B. Basal layer, C. Pores, D. Dermis. The answer is B. Basal layer, also known as the stratum germinativum. Number 12. What is the resting stage of hair growth? Is it A. Anagen, B. Catagen, C. Telogen, D. Depilogen? The answer is C. Telogen. Number 13. The presence of pus is a sign of a blank infection. Is it A. Bacterial, B. Parasitic, C. Viral, D. Biofilm? The answer is A. Bacterial. Number 14. Effective sterilization typically requires the use of A. Soap and water, B. UV light unit, C. Heat lamp, D. Autoclave. The answer is D. An autoclave. Number 15. What does a pH below 7 indicate? A. Safe solution, B. An alkaline solution, C. An acidic solution, D. A neutral solution? The answer is C. An acidic solution. Number 16. This muscle closes the eyes. Is it A. Corrugator, B. Orbicularis oculi, C. Procerus, D. Epicranial aponeurosis? The answer is B. Orbicularis oculi. Number 17. Which muscle causes wrinkles in the forehead? Is it A. Frontalis, B. Orbicularis oculi, C. Procerus, D. Epicranial aponeurosis? The answer is A. Frontalis. Number 18. What is telangiectasia? A. Capillary wall dilation, B. Follicle damage, C. Aging, D. Poor nutrition? The answer is A. Capillary wall dilation. Number 19. What is the term for a brown or wine-colored discoloration? Is it A. Wen, B. Wheal, C. Tan, D. Stain? The answer is D. Stain. Number 20. What is a hypertrophy? A. An abnormal growth, B. Normal growth, C. Abnormal perspiration, D. Normal perspiration? The answer is A. An abnormal growth. And that is it for this esthetician practice test number 2, which is a re-upload. You guys do not forget to continue reading your textbook for more information on each subject. It is extremely important that you read the textbook. Remember, it is crucial that you have an understanding, a deeper understanding of what all of this really means in order for you not to get confused in the way that they may ask you the questions the day of the test. Remember, you will always know the answer. So with that being said, good luck on your test. Let's keep going. Hey, let's keep growing. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.